Elara's Sleepover Star. Elara was packing her little backpack for a sleepover at Grandma Solveig's house. Usually, sleepovers were fun, but tonight, a tiny wobbly feeling started in her tummy. "Are you excited, Sweet Pea?" asked Lena, zipping up the bag. Elara nodded slowly, but the wobbly feeling didn't go away. She loved Grandma Solveig, but sleeping in a different bed felt so different. When they arrived, Grandma Solveig was waiting with a big warm hug. "Welcome, my little star," she chirped. Grandma's house smelled like cinnamon and old books, which was usually her favorite. After dinner, Grandma Solveig pulled out a big box. "How about we build the tallest tower in the world?" she suggested, her eyes twinkling. Elara loved building towers, and soon her wobbly tummy felt a little less wobbly. As the sun began to set, Grandma Solveig helped Elara make her bed in the guest room. Elara brought out her special comfort blanket, Cloudy, and tucked him in next to her pillow. "Time for stories," Grandma Solveig announced, settling into a comfy armchair. Elara snuggled under the covers, but as Grandma read, the wobbly feeling started to creep back, just a little. "It's okay to miss home, little one," Grandma Solveig whispered, stroking Elara's hair. "But remember, my house is just a different kind of home, filled with love just for you." Elara closed her eyes and imagined her own bed at home. Then she imagined Grandma's cozy bed, and then she imagined a fluffy cloud carrying her gently to sleep. She felt safe and warm. When Elara woke up the next morning, the sun was shining brightly through the window. The wobbly feeling was completely gone. She felt rested and happy. After a yummy breakfast of pancakes, Elara and Grandma Solveig played a board game. "This was a super sleepover, Grandma," Elara said, giving her a big hug. "Can I come again soon?"